Lane departure prevention uses data from the camera on the windscreen to correct the vehicle's trajectory if you're about to inadvertently cross a continuous or broken line. When lane departure prevention is switched on, the left and right lines are displayed in grey on the instrument panel, along with this indicator light. If the camera fails to detect either a continuous or a broken line, the indicator light and the lines on the instrument panel remain greyed out. If a line is detected, the indicator light and lines appear in white. If the camera detects just one line, that line is shown in white on your instrument panel. Detection operates at speeds of between 40.3 and 111.8 miles per hour, or 65 and 180 kilometers per hour. If you're about to inadvertently cross a line or the vehicle is nearing the side of the road without you indicating, the camera detects this hazard and triggers a system that adjusts the steering wheel to correct the trajectory. To warn you, this indicator light and the line concerned turn yellow on the instrument panel. If, in spite of the trajectory correction, lane departure prevention can't avoid the hazard, this indicator light and the crossed line both turn red on the instrument panel. The system also prompts you to take back control of the vehicle by a vibration in your steering wheel. Lastly, if lane departure prevention is on and detects that your hands are not on the steering wheel or that you haven't used it, this indicator light turns orange on the instrument panel, accompanied by the message "Keep Control" and an audible signal until you retake control. To switch the lane departure prevention on, you'll first need to set up the lane departure prevention feature on the Open R-Link center screen. Go to the Vehicle section and select Driving Assistance. Then open the Lane Keeping System menu. Select Lane Departure Prevention. Press this button to switch the feature on. The message "Lane Keeping System Activated" appears on the instrument panel, and this indicator light and the warning light built into the switch both come on to tell you that the feature has been turned on. When lane departure prevention is on, the lane departure warning is automatically turned on, even if it is not selected on the multimedia screen. If no feature has been selected in the Lane Keeping System menu on the multimedia system, the message "Lane Keeping System Not Configured" is displayed on the instrument panel when you press this button, and the warning light in the switch stays off. To turn this driving aid off, press this button again until the message "Lane Keeping System Deactivated" is displayed on the instrument panel. The warning light in the switch goes out, and the indicator light and lines disappear from the instrument panel. You can also deselect it from the multimedia screen. For your driving comfort, you can adjust some parameters such as the vibration level of the steering wheel as well as the sensitivity of line detection. On the Lane Keeping System menu, press Departure Anticipation. You can then choose one of 3 sensitivity settings: Late, Standard, and Early. If you set line detection sensitivity to Late, the line will only be detected when it is crossed. With the Standard detection setting, the warning will be given on approaching the line. With the Early setting, you'll be warned when you are close to the line. You can also choose one of 3 warning vibration levels. Bear in mind that each time the engine starts, lane departure prevention has the same settings as when the vehicle stopped. If you have it switched on, it will still be on the next time you start. Make sure that lane departure prevention works properly by keeping the camera and windscreen clean and in good condition. In certain conditions, such as poor visibility and on tight bends, the function may be temporarily unavailable. In this case, the lines and indicator light appear in grey. Lane departure prevention doesn't work in reverse gear. You must deactivate the function when you enter an area with different road markings, such as in roadworks. If this indicator light and the message "Check front camera" appear on the instrument panel, the lane departure prevention system has detected a fault. Contact a Renault representative to resolve the problem. The lane departure prevention system cannot replace your vigilance as a driver. Always pay attention to the traffic conditions and to your surroundings.